Yes, hello friends and investors. So if you are not, hindi pa kaya ng budget nyo si Greta kasi malaking bahay po yun, pwede po kayong si Freya muna ang bilhin natin. And Freya has a lot area of more or less 132 square meters and floor area of 142 square meters. So, chine-check yung prompter guys. hindi klaro yung prompter kasi naano sa sinag ng araw. So, default din to may balcony sa taas and we have a one-car garage here, of course. So now let's get inside the unit and let's check the features of this house. So again, this is a dressed-up unit kasi model house po ito. Hindi pa po siya for sale because we still have inventories available for you. Wow, ganda din lang ng pagka-interior nito ah. So upon entering the unit is going to be living area. So I like this drama on the ceiling. And then this is the dining area, guys. So medyo ano siya, flowery yung dating. And there's a cute counter here, oh. And then of course the kitchen area, and there's a door there going to the outside area of the house. And we have a toilet and bath dito sa baba. Common toilet and bath siya, pero you can actually improve it to a powder room. And of course there's a bedroom here on the ground. So again, this is still good for a family na meron kayong senior citizens, yung parents niyo, seniors na, and they can't, it's very difficult for them to go upstairs. So okay po yung ang bahay na ito. Para sa pamilyang may senior citizens sa kanilang na miyembro ng kanilang pamilya or may PWD din na kasama sa pamilya niyo. So upon landing on the second floor, we have a smaller bedroom here. And we also have another bedroom right here. And may sariling toilet and bath siya. And pagbalik natin sa labas ng bedroom is, there's a space here, you can convert it into a working area or pwede rin to parang hangout area ng pamilya nyo. And of course, you can access the balcony from here. So, that's a balcony area. And now, going back, we have another bedroom here. So this bedroom also has its own toilet and bath. So dalawang bedroom yung may sariling toilet and bath dito sa second floor ng unit na to. It's again a Freya unit. So balik na tayo doon sa baba kasi may mga bisita. And we're here on the ground floor. Nakabalik na tayo dito sa ground floor. So once again, this is the Freya unit. And if you are interested to get this unit, please send me an email through buholanobroker@gmail.com. This is Amon Ray Clavano Locaria, your real estate broker and appraiser in the Philippines. Welcome to Bacolod City, the city of smiles.